Do you know the biggest difference between a rich mindset and a broke mindset? You probably think it's money, but that's wrong. Money is merely a result of their differences. It is a byproduct. The fundamental difference is their mindset. Rich people simply think differently than poor and middle-class people. Most broke people have clicked off this video already. They are too brainless to listen to the truth. They are only looking for shortcuts to make money. I will tell you 7 differences between a rich and a poor mindset, and only when you understand, you will become rich. Number 1. The value of education. The big difference between the rich and the poor mindset is that the rich understand the value of knowledge. They know that real education starts after school. They're reading about money, personal development, and learning skills so that they do better in life. They're constantly learning, whereas poor mindsets are oblivious to the importance of constant learning. They think they're done after graduating, and if they do decide to learn something, they will only do it if it's free or as cheap as humanly possible. They are too empty-headed to recognize the true value of education. This is why you always find broke people that loosely throw around the word scam. Number 2, the value of time. Just like with education, broke people don't respect time. They don't recognize the true value of it. That's why you will find many of them work 9-to-5 jobs for little to no money for decades of their life. But it isn't entirely their fault. You see, we were all lied to. Growing up, we were told that we should follow the career path of working 50-hour weeks to receive a stable paycheck, and so people like a slave put in more and more hours to earn some extra money. The problem with this is that your time is limited. You only have 24 hours in a day, so by trading hours for money, you're limited in what you can earn. Rich people know time is the most valuable asset we have. They are not looking to trade time for money. They got something much better. It's trading value for money, meaning that they get paid in direct proportion to the value they deliver. So think about trading value for money, not time. Number 3, create your reality. Poor people believe life just happens to them. They live in a victim mindset. What they don't know is that your thoughts shape your reality. So if you think poor me, that's exactly what you get. I challenge you for the next 7 days to not complain about anything, not just out loud, but in your head too. Complete this challenge, and you will see the difference if you want to create wealth. It is imperative that you believe that you are at the steering wheel of your life, that you create every moment of your life, especially your financial life. Number 4, avoiding problems. Those with the rich mindset will focus on solutions, while people with the poor mindset will focus on the problems. Getting rich is not a walk in the park. It's a journey that is full of obstacles, twists, and detours. The simple fact is success is messy. The road is filled with pitfalls, and that's why most people don't take it. They don't want the problems. Therein lies one of the biggest differences between rich people and poor people. Rich and successful people are bigger than their problems, while poor and unsuccessful people are smaller than their problems. Listen, the secret to success is not to try to avoid or shrink your problems. It's to grow yourself so that you're bigger than any problem. What's important to realize is that the size of the problem is never the real issue. What matters is the size of you. Remember, the idea is to grow yourself to a place where you can overcome any problems at getting your way of creating wealth and keeping it once you have it. Number 5, taking risks. Poor mindset often live in fear of taking new risks. They are terrified and would rather play it safe. But people with a rich mindset are risk takers. They know where the conventional 9-to-5 path will lead them and know it ends in misery. So they take calculated risks. They are always looking for opportunities to improve their wealth, knowledge, and lives. They are comfortable with uncertainty and understand that to succeed, you must step out of your comfort zone. Number 6, produce. A rich mindset loves to create and produce. They get joy from seeing their ideas come to life and generate value. On the other hand, the poor mindset focuses on consumption, often at the cost of long-term financial health. Number 7, positive mindset. A rich mindset stays positive and optimistic, believing in the power of their dreams. They know that negativity pulls you down and hinders progress. I'm not merely talking about positive thinking here. I'm talking about a habitual way of seeing the world. Poor people come from fear. Their minds are constantly scanning for what's wrong or what could go wrong in any situation. Rich people, as we've discussed earlier, take responsibility for creating their life and come from the mindset that it will work because I'll make it work. By the way, if you want to level up in life, then don't forget to show some love by hitting the like and subscribe button. Until next time, stay tuned.